This is the 11-foot 5-inch inflatable stand-up paddleboard from OROHBOARD, a stable, lightweight board built for real adventures on lakes, rivers, or coastal waters. It comes with everything you need: the paddleboard, a 4-section adjustable paddle, 3 scimitar-style fins, a waterproof dry bag, hand pump, ankle leash, carrying strap, an octopus wrench, and a roomy backpack for transport. The board uses military-grade PVC and a heat lamination process, making it extremely durable and resistant to tears, salt water, and sun exposure. The tread deck is covered with a thick, full-surface EVA pad, soft underfoot, non-slip, and wear-resistant even when wet. The adjustable paddle works in both single and double blade modes, and the height range fits most users between about 5 feet and 6 foot 3 inches. There's even a camera mount up front so you can document your outings. This paddleboard was kindly sent for review, but all opinions are entirely my own. The OROHBOARD branding is clearly marked on the tail, and once inflated, the board feels incredibly stable. It's 33 inches wide, 6 inches thick, and supports up to 400 pounds, enough for 2 adults or an adult with a child or pet. At under 19 pounds, it's easy to carry to the water and still handles like a full-sized, rugged board. It glides smoothly and responds well whether you're cruising flat water or steering around bends. You can easily balance, sit, paddle, or even practice yoga. The build feels sturdy and responsive, which makes it great for beginners and families. When you're done, it deflates and rolls up quickly, and everything fits neatly into the backpack. With a 3-year warranty on the board and a 1-year warranty on all included accessories, this is a full-featured paddleboard setup ready for outdoor fun.